Hi everyone! Today I wanted to share a quick tip with you on how you can find accessible videos with closed captions on YouTube. Lately I posted a number of videos on creating accessible videos with captioning, but let's be honest, we don't always have time to create our own content for our classroom. So I'm going to show you how you can search YouTube and find videos that are closed captions. So let's say I'm looking for a video on edition 220. I'm going to type in my search terms like you see, and then enter a comma followed by a CC. My results will only include videos that are closed captioned, not the auto-generated captions that can be prone with a lot of mistakes and errors, but these are all going to be either professionally captioned or captioned by the creator for accuracy. Next time you're looking for an instructional video on YouTube to share with your students, be sure to include a comma CC that will automatically narrow your results to accessible videos with closed captioning. Hope this was helpful and you learned something new. Then give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for future videos. Until next time, bye everyone.